you look back in your early life, any moments that influenced and shaped you?
I think all of us are a product of our past. So, do your parents shape you? Of course they do. So, therefore, the core values that a person has have been ingrained into you by the way your parents conducted themselves. Yeah. So my father, till I was in class 8, spent all his money that he earned in bringing up his brothers and sisters. Yeah. So something about sharing, family, you pick up, you see. He doesn't have to tell you that you have to look after family. He does it by actually doing it, right? He was a railway officer, retired as a general manager, one of the top positions, went through all these hardships and had humongous amount of opportunities to take easy way out. He never buckled any time during his, I think, 35, 40 years of service. Yeah. So what is the message given to you? Will you be influenced by it? Sure. Yeah. Your mother, the way she sort of diligently, without expecting anything in return, was there as a matter of great warmth and strength. Yeah. Does it shape you? Of course it does. So values are not, they get transmitted. They're not taught. Right? And they get transmitted through action. So, did that transmission take place? Of course it did. And then that forms the base on which you build your life.